Namaskar. I hope you all are well and safe. Today I haven't come to you with any of my performance or promo video, but I am really very excited to show you something which is indeed special to me. Let me show you. And here it is. This morning I received this and immediately thought of sharing it with you. The silver play button, as we know, people get this when they reach 1 lakh subscribers on YouTube. I really can't express my happiness when I first time got this in my hand. I think this is the right time to acknowledge all the ones without whom it couldn't have been possible. Firstly, I would like to mention my guru, Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan. Thank you so much, Akka, for always showering your blessings and love on me. A big thank to all my videographers and my lovely tech team for their hard work. Loads of love to my friends Deepali Salil and Subil Deva for their support. I thank YouTube for honoring me with this. And finally, my humble gratitude to all my subscribers and viewers. Today this is in my hand is only and only because of you. Keep visiting my channel and don't forget to share your valuable comments. Many more to come. Stay tuned. Thank you.